people, welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, where we serve you with entertainment gist happening all around Nigeria. Reality TV star Venita set for breast augmentation surgery. Former Big Brother Naija housemate Venita Okoye announced that she is set to go under the knife for a breast augmentation procedure recently. The beauty queen and brand influencer made this known by a video via her Instagram page. Though the caption of the video denoted advertisement, comments of fans and even that of wife of Paul Okoye, Anita Okoye, and other celebrities would make pointers to the fact that Venita is to undergo a recent surgery. Anita Okoye wished the mother of two a safe surgery, and even fans have not failed to wish her a successful surgical procedure. Venita, captioning the video, asked her fans which procedure preference to go for. She wrote, "Smart silicone versus saline." Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below.